Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. You are watching for Take. So Optimus Prime has released the new superior OS, which is non-dynamic partition based custom ROM for the OnePlus 6 and 6T. I reverted back to the normal partition scheme and flashed the superior OS. I will release its full review within 2 to 3 days of this video. As most of users are already moved to the dynamic partition retrofit builds, but some of you still want to use some non-dynamic ROMs like the superior OS, crdroid, etc. Then this video is for you. Today in this video I will show you how can you revert back to the normal partition scheme and can flash the normal custom ROM from the scratch. Means if you are on the Exynos 10, 11, from that stage I will show you how you can flash this Android 12 or the 13 based ROM on your OnePlus 6 and 6T. Your PC must have all the latest fastboot and the Qualcomm drivers. Keep backup of all your data and the application, as this process will erase all your data on your phone. So watch the video till the end. Now without further ado, let's get started.
On a new adventure.
So if you want to revert to normal partition scheme, then only way you have to use the MSM tool and flash the Exynos 10 or the 11 firmware. I already created the MSM tool flashing process video. You can watch that from the iCard. Use the files given in that video to flash the Exynos 10 or the 11 MSM tool. After following that process, your device will directly boot to non-retrofit stock Exynos OS. So here if you flash the Exynos 10 MSM tool, then phone will have this Exynos 10. People who are already on the Exynos 10 or using the Exynos 11, then no need to follow the above mentioned process. Follow the steps now I will mention so on. Download all the files given under the video description. Now transfer the Exynos 11.2 firmware file in the root of the file manager of your phone. Now go to the settings and the system. There tap system update. Then tap top right gear icon. There select local upgrade. Now select the Exynos 11 firmware we placed in the root of the file manager. Flashing process will start, and once it gets 100%, tap reboot. Phone will reboot and you will see in the about phone we are upgraded to the Exynos 11.2 version. Now again repeat the same process, flash the same firmware one more time while local upgrade. In this way we have flashed the Exynos 11.2 two times. Now go to the about phone, there tap version, there tap 8 times on the build number. This will enable the developer setting. Now go back and in the main setting you will find the developer setting. There enable the OEM unlock tab. Now enable the USB debugging. Once done, power up the phone. Then long press the volume up plus power button. This will boot your phone into the fastboot mode. As you used the MSM tool for the flashing the Exynos firmware at the start, this process will lock the bootloader of the device. So we have to unlock it first. If your device is already unlocked, then no need to follow this first step. Go to the folder where you placed all the files like the TWRP image, ROM file that you want to flash and finalize zip. Now press the shift key of keyboard plus right click of your mouse. From the drop down menu select open command prompt. Here in the CMD type fastboot devices. You will get this device ID on the screen. Now you are good to go. Now type fastboot OEM unlock. Now on the phone select unlock bootloader using the volume keys and confirm using power button. Phone will reboot back to the stock Exynos 11. All the data will get wiped after this on the phone. Now again power up the device and boot it into the bootloader using the volume and a power button combos. In the same folder open CMD command prompt again. Now type fastboot boot and drag the TWRP file in the CMD and hit enter. Phone will boot to this TWRP 3.7 version. Now tap advanced in the TWRP and select install current TWRP and then reboot back to the TWRP. Now transfer the finalize and the ROM zip file in the phone storage. Now in the TWRP tap install and select the ROM zip file and flash it. Once done, tap install again and select the finalize zip. Once done, tap advanced, select flash current TWRP. Now tap reboot and select recovery. Phone reboots back to the recovery. In the recovery now tap wipe and select format data. Then type yes and enter. If you get any unsuccessful notification, then tap setting. Check mark the RMRF setting. Now repeat the formatting process. This time it will be get successful. Now tap reboot back to the recovery and the repeat formatting process using the wipe option. Once done, now tap reboot to the system. That's it, we shifted back to the normal partition scheme and flashed the Exynos 13 based superior OS. If you are already in the Exynos 10 or the 11, skip the MSM tool flashing and follow the rest of the steps same as it is to flash any Exynos 12 or 13 based custom ROM on your OnePlus 6 and 6T. Lots of users asked me for this at the start of first cyber Android 12 based ROM, so here it's a complete guide, follow it carefully to avoid the complications. That's it for today guys. If you think this video helped you, then please do like and share this video, subscribe our channel, press the bell icon for the notifications of our upcoming review of superior OS. Thanks for watching, see you next time, take care, bye bye.